Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning operators and in today's class we will learn about string concatenation. Before I talk about any syntax, let's understand what concatenation is. Concatenation is a fancy word for joining two strings. It's a verb. Concat means joining, a synonym. So concatenation is all about just joining to a string, as simple as that. Now, how do we join it in Java? Java, as we have learned in the past, that we use plus operator to add two numbers. But when you use the plus operator on a string, then it simply joins. So if I say x equal to 10 and y equal to 20, and we say z equal to, and I'm ignoring the data type, but we should not, z equal to x plus y. In this case, x is 10, y is 20. The value of x is read from memory, value of y is read from memory on the right side. A addition operation is done on the left by the processor. This becomes 30. This whole statement becomes int z equal to 30. And we have already seen that. But what happens when we do this addition sign on a string? It simply joins it. You can see the example here where we are saying string x equal to I love and string y equal to code. When you do x plus y, it is going to take the value of this x, value of y, and simply join and set the value back to z. So if I print the value of z at this fourth statement, it will simply say I love to code. It will join exactly as it is. It is not going to add a space automatically. You notice here that at the end I have added in the beginning of this statement I have added a space, and that is why it printed, it says a space here, I love to code. If you don't give this space, again it will simply say I love to code. It will join as it is, and that's why intentionally I gave a space. Second thing is the compound operator on addition applies to a string also. So if I want to, suppose there is a string called a and it says a equal to hi, and I want to say a equal to a plus equal to, and I want to say Java. This is as good as saying a equal to a plus another string in double quotes Java. So if value of a is high and let's say there is a space here, it is going to say a will become high space Java. So this statement a equal to a plus is, I'm taking a variable, I'm taking a fixed value and joining it. A is also a string, Java is also a string, it will join or rather concatenate. Similarly, the same thing can be written in a short compound operator using plus equal to. Remember, equal to has to be on the right side. Now, what happens if you are doing this you take a number and you take a string. Let's say I take a number a equal to 10, and I say, z equal to double quote hello space plus a. Now, in this case, hello is a string and a is a number. Can I add this to? Yes, you can. In Java, 10 will be automatically converted to a string before you join it. So this, when you join this becomes hello space number 10, because 10 is treated like double quote 10, which is not really a number but a string. When you join a number to a string, the number will be converted into a string and concatenation operation will be taking place. I hope this concept is clear. You will use it a lot in Java, especially the string concatenation. You accept some input from user, you want to say hello, you take the string, concatenate with word hello and print it back on the screen in the simplest form. And that's all on the operators. I will see you guys in the next chapter.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.